Alright, y'all. So today, I'm bringing a holiday recipe to us with the turkey, of course. Now, as we get into the Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that fun stuff that we need a bird for, I'm going to be showing you how to make a stuffed turkey roll. Now, a little more prep work on this, but the amount of cleanup that it eliminates and the amount of waste it eliminates, and it's just a good way to do a turkey. I can't lie, it's one of my favorite ways to do a turkey. So for this, we clearly have a turkey. We have a stick of butter. We have some stuffing or dressing, whatever you call it, over here. If you want to know how we made this, I'll link the last video down in the description below. And we also have some onion powder, some cayenne powder, and some garlic powder. You can use whatever seasonings you prefer. That's what I'm going to be doing on this here bird. So first things first, we got to get this bird going. Hey y'all, so I tried getting deboning this entire bird on another camera angle. If that didn't work out, I'm sorry, you're not going to see it. You missed it. Besides, there are much better videos out there that can show you how to debone a whole bird than I can do. But we've deboned the bird, plus these flaps that are up here on the breast, we've also just went ahead, trimmed them and folded them down because there's going to be a gap. Or if you need, depending on how you debone your bird, you can go ahead and cut these flaps out and put them anywhere there's a gap. Now, we got about 2 cups of our stuffing. And we're just going to go ahead. We want to get this spread out as greatly as we can. And like I said, if you want to see how I made my stuffing, I'm going to go ahead and link last week's video down in the description where we made the stuffing. The only difference is this is not cooked, where we actually went all the way and cooked last week's. And now, we just want to take we're going to fold this up. We want to massage it and get it tight into place. Now I messed up on mine and I cut skin on the back, otherwise I'd flip it over and tie it from there. But I'm just going to make sure that I got meat all the way around, and I do. Big important piece is don't cut any skin. You want to keep as much skin intact as you can. We got butcher's twine. And go ahead, slide that under. And then we're just going to simply tie a butcher's knot. Okay, I'm going to tie up my bird. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so I've definitely had better jobs tying this bird up than this. It's usually a little more uniform, I will say that. But we've gone ahead and put it in a roasting pan. We've also got our chicken wings back here from earlier. Now we're just going to take and sprinkle on onion powder. We're just going to sprinkle on some garlic powder. Like I said, you could use whatever seasonings you want. This is just what I'm going with. And then we're going to take our cayenne. A little bit of spice in our life. Now we're just going to take our stick of butter and we're going to slice it. And we're just going to put cubes over around the top of this thing. And what this will do will help it self-baste. Now we're going to go ahead and cover this with tin foil. We don't want any juices or any moisture escaping, so we want to make sure we wrap it real good in tin foil. Now our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to cook this for about 20 minutes per pound, and then maybe add a little more just to make sure it's cooked. So I got a 10-pound bird here. It's 200 minutes. That's about 3.5 hours, I think. I'll do the math. But about 20 minutes per pound. So I'm going to go ahead, throw mine in the oven, and I'll bring you back when we're done. Alright, y'all, so we took ours out of the oven. It took about 3 hours. We're going to move it to a cutting board and let it rest for about 20 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. So here we have a stuffed turkey roll. Now you can see where I did nick the skin down here. It's come apart a little bit. Don't have the best ties on it, but that's alright. It's all gonna eat the same. Now if you haven't, I've only done a few of these. I would highly suggest practicing on maybe like a chicken or something, you know. But no matter what, it's easy cleanup. There's no bones in this. There's no tendons in this because the tendons get hard when they cook. That's all been removed. You'll have dark meat down here and you have white meat up here. Everyone can get what they want. No cleanup. And it's a unique and different way to serve that Thanksgiving turkey. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Especially since I've noticed only 8% of my viewers are subscribed. So if you're one of that 92%, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, keep on cooking on.